Don't say Maddie gonna pick a good lunch spot. Oh my God. They're getting her, Ariel. She did something illegal. Look at her.
I think that bag up there is money.
I don't know if it's money. Where's the chick?
There's a passenger who's trying to go out.
Get her. Get her.
She was wearing a wig.
She was wearing a wig, Mom.
I saw it like flew off her. I was like,
Oh, I think the person with the
I just don't need anything to like happen, and the kids are in the restaurant.
that was the first time I've ever seen.
Guys, can y'all get on this side of the table, please? Get on this side of the table. I mean, that won't save everything, but
Perfect.
Well, y'all may have a hard time getting here. There's about 15 damn cops now. It's like you gotta pull off and hit the damn curb and pull off. It's literally in the parking lot. They could snap her car and yank her wig off.
I think that was a guy.
No, it's a lady. Somebody on this wall. Okay. All right, behind the couch.
if it makes you feel better, Maddie's super excited. She picked the best lunch spot. She's like, yes. So
Montgomery County does not play. Don't play with them out there, folks.